We're at the famous Contemporary, looking for Lee's. Wonder where could she be at the Contemporary? Let's go find out. Let's go in and see the Contemporary. He's got 4 legs. This guy doesn't. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up with that? Still looking for Lee's. Heading up. What's going on up? Whoa. Okay. This is fancy. Wow. This is cool. Wow, lots of great things in there. No Lee's though. I see flashing lights and stuff. I gotta go see. Flashing lights and stuff. I gotta go see. Look, Galaga. Lee's favorite game. Well, she loved that. You get Dottie in here. Ski ball. It's crazy in here. But Catman, she loved that. But well, it doesn't look like Lee's is in here. Well, we'll keep looking. We got Chef Mickey's over there. This is a very cool place. All the goats. Oh, I guess. Oh, that's Goofy. There's Goofy over there. Look at him. He's dancing. That's pretty goofy. But I still see no Lee's. No Lee's around. So, well, we'll keep looking. Is that up? What? That's a monorail. Oh, hey. Wow. There's a monorail right in the middle of the Contemporary. Well, that's cool. There's Mickey down there. I see Mickey. There's Mickey down there. Flapping away. All right. Well, there's another monorail over there. This is so cool. But I don't see Lee's, so we'll keep looking. Maybe we get on this monorail. That's a good idea. We'll go get on this monorail and see if we can find her. Maybe go to another resort, find her. Still looking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this Disney content. It's time to go. Thanks for watching.